Ho ho! South Africa women's cricket team! Semi-final winners into the final. What a proud day for South African women and for South Africa. Ho ho! This is Steve Shorts. Welcome. What a performance. What a moment for South African cricket. The Proteas women have taken the semi-final by storm. It all started with the skipper, Laura Wolfhard, carving out a towering 169 runs. The kind of innings you'll remember for years. They set a massive target of 319 for 7. Then bowling unit steps up. Oh, Marizanne Kapp ripped through the opposition with 5 for 34. Lekker juister. A spell of sheer domination. And in the end, England were bowled out for 194 and a massive victory of 125 runs. Historic for South Africa. This isn't just a win, it's a breakthrough. It's a moment of belief. The message is clear. When the mental game, the skill in the team, spirit of the line, you get results. Oh, this team is absolutely unstoppable. I think we're going to take this final. Well done to South Africa. Well done to the Proteas, the whole squad, everyone involved. This is 2025 How To Everything Sports, AI, mental health related. A special shout out to the Proteas women. We are so proud of you. What a day for South Africa. Let's go wrap it up. Let's take that final, bring that trophy home. And this is the start of something magical for South African cricket and for all ladies out there. Well done.